Tom, I am very hungry.
Me too. My stomach hurts. Homework is so hard today. I cannot think when I am hungry.
Let's check the kitchen. Maybe Mom cooked something. Oh no, the kitchen looks empty.
I only see fruits. There are apples and bananas. And grapes, too.
But I want real food.
Yeah, not fruit again.
Wait, I will check the fridge. Please find something good.
Uh-oh, only 2 eggs and 1 bread.
That's all?
This is a disaster.
I think we need pizza. Let's ask Mom! Great idea! Mom, we are starving!
What happened, sweetie?
There is almost no food.
Dad will buy groceries tonight.
Please order pizza for us.
Please, Mom. No pizza today.
Why not, Mom?
You ate pizza last night.
But we love pizza.
Too much fast food is unhealthy.
But 1 more pizza is okay. I can cook the egg and bread. 1 bread is too small. My stomach will still cry.
You are so dramatic. Pizza makes everyone happy.
Healthy food keeps you strong. Fruit is boring.
Fruit gives you energy.
Can we order a small pizza?
No, sweetheart.
What about burgers?
Also no.
Mom, this is so sad.
You will survive. I saw Dad eat chips yesterday. Dad works very hard. We work hard too. Homework is painful.
Please, dear Mom, only 1 pizza?
Nice try, sweetie.
I think fruits hate me.
Bananas look suspicious. What if we cook ourselves?
That sounds dangerous. You may help me.
Really?
I washed the grapes. I peeled the banana. Good job, kids.
Cooking is actually fun.
But I still want pizza.
I know. Let me show you something.
What is it?
Too much junk food can hurt your body.
Really, Mom?
It can make you tired and sick.
I did feel sleepy at school. And my stomach hurt yesterday.
Exactly. Maybe we eat too much fast food.
Maybe a little.
Healthy food helps your brain.
I need help in math. And I need help in spelling.
Then eat healthy. Can fruit really help us?
Yes, very much. What about athletes?
Most athletes eat healthy food.
Even basketball players? Of course.
Wow.
Maybe bananas are powerful. Bananas give energy.
Like superheroes? This apple smells nice. The grapes look shiny. Add the pineapple too.
This is colorful.
From now on, we will eat more fruit. And less junk food. Good job, kids. Oh!
We like fruit now. If you eat fruits daily, you will get pizza on the weekend.
Promise. We will eat fruit every day. Yay! Pizza time!
Best reward ever.
Listeners, you should eat fruits too. Then maybe you will get pizza too. Exactly.